Is Surveyeah really a great way to get paid to take service no matter where you live, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me about an updated Surveyeah review, and therefore I decided to record this video where I'll give you an inside look, show both the pros and the cons, and I will also show you payment proof and all the details so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and Surveyeah is of course like any other legit paid service site completely free to join, and on the website you can also see here they say that it is available in 123 countries in the world. And it's also available in 15 languages. You can actually go to the top corner there and change. It looks like they actually have added quite a few more languages since they wrote this text here, because you can see there are more here. And you can also click here to see the exact countries it is available in. And you can also, when you go to the website, see the exact countries it's available in by just going to the register link, and there you can choose your country and see all of them there. So I just jumped there to the registration form, and here you can see I'm just scrolling through, so you can see the countries it is available in. It is available in a lot of countries, also in some countries where it can sometimes be hard to find paid service, and of course the countries where there in general are a lot of paid service, you can also find a lot here. So it definitely has availability for many different countries in many different languages also, as you can see. But whether it's then worth it or not is a whole different matter, so let me now log in and then we'll take a look. So I have now logged in, and Surveyeah is easy to use actually, because it's easy to navigate everything. There's not much to do in there. There's no distractions, pop-up ads or anything like that. You just need to go in, and once you register, go to your profile first, fill out your profile. That takes a little bit of time, but it helps you get access to potentially more surveys. And then once you've done that, you just go to the survey tab, and here you can see the ones that are currently available for me. And you can see the estimated time. That is fairly accurate in my experience here, and also the points. We'll go over the value of the points a little bit later when we go over the payment proof and the payout options. But you can see I have quite a good number of paid service. Some of them pay decently for the times, other not so well. Some of them pay above average, so you just need to choose wisely. But of course, be aware that you will not qualify for all service. That is how it is with any service site. So there will be surveys you do not qualify for. And I know that sometimes that can be frustrating, but that is a part of taking paid service. But it does have a good number of paid service, and it does add new surveys quite regularly. Of course, exactly how many you will get access to will vary from country to country. It is available in a lot of countries, as you could see, but in some countries there will of course still be more service than in others. Also be aware, they do write that here, that points are not credited immediately as they are calculated at the end of the survey in which you participated. So it can take up to 3 weeks. So that means like they don't calculate the points until the whole survey has like been completed. Depending on when you take it, it can be a while. So don't panic if you complete a survey and it's not added to your account immediately. Sometimes it can take a while, and that's just something to be aware of. But this is basically the way to earn on Surveyeah. Very basic, straightforward, and easy to use. But of course you also need to consider how can you get paid. That's important to know before you use any paid service site. So let's go over that next. And there I will also show exactly how to withdraw and show you payment proof. So when it comes to getting paid, the exact payout options depends on your country. But what I do like is that you can go to Surveyeah and go to the reward section before joining and actually see the exact options in your country. That's unusual. I actually haven't seen that on any other service sites. Most service sites you have to join to be able to see the exact one in your country. But you see they have an overall overview here, like gift cards and cash via PayPal there. But in some countries it can be different. So you can just scroll through and find your country. You see, for example, it says very clearly Italy, its currency you would earn euro. You would the payout threshold, that means that you need to earn $20 or 20 euros, to get paid there. 10 for Amazon there. Visa it doesn't, and then it has these gift cards. So you can go through here, you see all of them here. For example, Australia there, it would be Australian dollars. You need to earn 34 to get paid via PayPal, 10 to get paid via Amazon, and it would be Amazon Australia, 10 for Visa. So there they offer Visa, prepaid Visa, a gift card here. So you can go here and see exactly for your country what do they offer, because they don't mention all of them here. They have some that are country specific, and that's one thing I like, that they do this like aim it to your country, so they give good payout options no matter the country you live in. So let's now just show you how to withdraw and show you the payment proof. So I have now jumped to the payout section, and you can see my point balance here right now is 254, and you can see my local currency, what that would be equivalent of, and then the gift cards. I have some in different currencies also, you know, that's how it is in some countries there. Just be aware here it says prices are received within a week, so it can take up to a week before you will actually receive the reward once you request it. So that's just something to be aware of, so you don't start contacting the support after an hour or something like that. But you see, these are the options that I have. For me here, you see, I only needed to earn like 100 points to be able to cash out via PayPal. This is the equivalent to, $11, $12 or something like that. So for me, the payout threshold for PayPal is quite low. It's even lower for certain gift cards. So again, the exact payout threshold, the exact rewards will depend on your country. But you can see 200 points, I can get the equivalent of, this is, what is it? Something like $25 almost, or something like that now here, that I have enough to get. So I will do that now. And once you've chosen it, just pops up here and it says how long it will take. You see 72 to 96 hours in the country where I live there. You see PayPal may in some cases charge a fee, and then I put my email. Of course I blur that out, and then all I need to do is to accept it here, and then I need to order the reward. And then it says you have ordered this PayPal reward, 200 points have been deducted, and then all I need to do is to wait for it to arrive. I will also leave a screenshot here from PayPal with the confirmation that the money did go into my PayPal account, so you can see that it actually does pay, and I'll also write exactly how long it took for me to get that money. But let's now talk about the overall earning potential. So as you can see, Surveyeah actually does pay. I've been paid by it many times, and I've been using it for years, and I do like that it is very user-friendly, and that it has these specific payout options for different countries, and that it's available in many different languages. As for how much you can earn, that of course depends on the country you live in. In some countries, it will take some patience to reach the payout threshold, because you probably know that if you've taken paid service before, in some countries there are just fewer service than in others, and it also depends on your profile. Sometimes you just have a profile where it's easier to qualify for service. There's nothing you can really do about that. If you're struggling with qualifying for service, then I do have an article actually on my website about how to qualify for more service. I'll also leave a link to that below, so then you can check that out. But overall, I would say Surveyeah pays quite decently. I would say average or above average for most service in my experience. But it's of course not a way to become rich. In some countries, yes, it can be, maybe 10, 50, sometimes maybe even $100 in a month. In other countries, it might be hard to earn $5, $10 in a month on Surveyeah alone. But overall, because it's so user-friendly and easy to use, I do like it as an extra service site to take service once in a while, and definitely also one of the ones that I recommend, and that I know many of my viewers have been happy using in the past also. If you have any experiences with yourself, please also feel free to share below. And if you want to join, I will also leave my invitation link below, so you can join through that. That will also support me, so of course I would appreciate that. But also if you want to read it, I have a full written review if you prefer that also, so I'll also leave that below, so then you can find that. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.